Welcome back, Brain Warriors. So today's questions, I got two questions along the same lines. One is from Shailene and one is from Rokilu or Rokailu. I hope I'm not butchering that name. And they are regarding plant-based protein. So one is, I think Shailene might be a vegan, and the other one, Rokilu, says that they are allergic to all meat-based proteins. So I want to answer both of those together because it is really important whether you're a vegan or you have allergies or whatever the reason, you still need to get protein. Okay, it's just really important that you eat protein with every meal. Protein not only helps to satisfy you, it helps to balance your hormones of metabolism. It helps with so many things, hormones. So you need to get the right amount of protein. We don't need as much as many people think, but we do need it. So one of the things I'm going to do this. Actually, I'm not sorry because it's actually worked really hard on this. This is the protein powder that I helped to develop along with our chief scientist here at Amen Clinics. It is a plant-based protein. It's Omni protein powder. It comes in vanilla and chocolate. It is super clean. It's based with chia protein, rice protein. It's got several proteins in there that are all plant-based. Has all of the amino acids. So if you are vegan, that's critical. It's got amino acids, it's got branched chain aminos, it's got digestive enzymes, and it's just ultra clean. So highly recommend it. Comes in vanilla and chocolate. If you are vegan or you can't eat clean meats for any reason, then try getting at least one smoothie a day. And you can also get plant-based protein in many different types of foods. You can do organic tofu, small amounts of organic tofu or things like that if you're not allergic to it. I don't recommend high amounts of that because it will increase your estrogen levels. So depending on, not really the right kind of estrogen, but small amounts of organic tofu are okay. Nuts and seeds are really great. And certain plants actually do have a significant amount of protein. The problem is you have to eat so much of it. Now we do want you eating a lot of plants, but that's how you help to boost your protein if you are not eating any kind of meat. If you are eating meat, we actually recommend that you eat small amounts of meat, but eat much higher quality. So you want free range, organic, no pesticides, no hormones. We'd rather you eat less of it. Yes, we know it's expensive. Eat less of it because you don't need that much. We'd rather you have a more plant-based diet anyways, so 70 to 80% at least, even if you're not vegan, and eat higher quality protein. Now, as far as the person who said they were allergic to all proteins, it's really unusual to be allergic to all meats. So if that is the case, I'm not denying it, I'm saying it's unusual. And if so, it means there's probably a reason. I would highly recommend you work with a nutritionist because you probably need some gut healing. Chances are there's something going on with your gut. Most of us have problems with our gut just based on our diet and our stress levels and so many other things. Highly recommend you go on an elimination diet guided by a nutritionist to help heal your gut, and you probably need a really good probiotic. That would be my recommendation for that person to heal the gut. So I hope this is helpful. Make sure you go to TanaAmen.com and leave me a comment or a question. It'll enter you into a drawing to win my cookbook, which, by the way, is whether you're vegan or you're a caveman. There's more than half of the cookbook is vegan or at least vegan alternative. You can switch the recipes out to be vegan or non-vegan. So please go there. And I love my community, so I've organized it so that if you do want to try my protein powder or any of our supplements, use the code TANA21. Just go to my page, TanaAmen.com, go to the store tab, click on it, and use that code on any of the products you want to try. Share this if it's helpful. Tap the bell so you'll be notified when I have new episodes pop out, and tag me. Thank you.